is the biggest park, one of the biggest parks we have around in London. But it's got some great features where you can go around and see the scenery of the whole London city. It's a place you can see a lot of people. You know, you can also have a look at the Greenwich Time and the museum. Follow me in this vlog as I take around the Greenwich Park of London. Enjoy your day. Hi. That's how we do things around here. Nice one. Nice one, guys. On our way to the park right now, you see, guys. Yes, one love, guys. So we are now going just making our way to the park. See me. Woo! Here we go. So we do things around here. We just making our way to the park right now. So stepping onto the park right here. See loads of people coming down here. I really want to explore at this point in time. What's the parking beach? Still on people. Woo! I will have a one or two, you know, contact with the guys here, ask them questions, see. Greenwich Park does not just only attract a lot of people, it is actually a World Heritage Site. It is 74 hectares, that's about 180 acres of land. It is one of the largest single green spaces in southeast of London. It is one of the royal parks of London and it commands a very beautiful views over the River Thames, and you can see the places like Hajj of Drugs, the City of London, the Canary Wharf, and a whole lot of other places at just a close distance. Let's take a closer look at such a very healthy open space like this. Quite significantly is the Observatory, which is on the top of the hill. There's also a statue of General James Wolfe that I'm going to show you in the course of this video, and also the old Royal Naval College. In this park, you can also see skyscrapers of the Canary Wharf and some many parts of London. Right, I'm right here and I'm standing on top of the hill. The observatory is here, right here. Greenwich Time that people talk about. It's right in front of me, and that's where we see. You can see on top of it north, east, south, you know, and just this one's closely looking into London, as you can see it behind me. Yeah, so looking down here, me too, I'm hiking top of the hill in this Greenwich Park.
Have you walked down here since you've been? You can't just decide. No.
So this is the spot. A lot of tourists, as you can see, all around the place around here. This particular spot here at the Greenwich Park is where you can actually see almost over shape of London, as you can see. The Canary Wharf, the city centre, the East Park, the Hotel Arena, and so many iconic places all over London. This is a place where you see a lot of people taking pictures, and I actually really want to take you to have a look at this talking telescope, where you can see but I think you have to put some money here, £2 coin or something, yeah, to be able to have a view. As you can see, that's the observatory, the Greenwich Meridian time that we normally talk about. If you go inside, there is like a museum where you can see a lot of information regarding this Greenwich Park and the Greenwich Meridian timing. Here we go again. The river is over there, the Thames, as you can see, just right across over there. Yeah. So it's actually a tourist center, sitting right in the middle of the city of London. I see a lot of people right here. This is like a mecca of tourism in central parts, in central area of London here.
And you won't believe this? It's actually free to come to the museums. There's a museum nearby, and there are also places around that we can go around. In the course of this video, I'm going to show you some other exciting things, like trees that have been there for years. It is perhaps not just for observatory that people are here for. There are so many other exciting things around here. Let's go deep into the woods, into the trees, where we can see chestnut trees and some other things, ancient things.
Can someone remind me of the Lord of the Rings? You know the time when the epic war was going. You know the kind of trees, when some trees were fighting to give their help to some people in the movie. Now, most of these trees here are as age long. Most of them hundreds of years ago. You can see how they still surviving, but they are being preserved. Here you can see them, even the kids climbing those trees. These trees have survived over the ages. See the way they look at times. Tree. Sometimes this one looks so scary. I want you to see how big this tree is. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to stand it just by the side so you can figure it out. Yeah. Now I'm going to look at me. Let's see how tiny I'm looking. You can see how massive the tree is. This is just one of them. There are a number of trees all over here on this Greenwich Park. So I'm going to you guys to show it to you guys. Enjoy. Oops. Although there are some trees that's actually not as big, but there are some that's actually extraordinarily big. Sometimes you have the age, they have names, they have the years, which they have been surviving from. They normally have it there. This one looks so short. It must have survived various thunders and many things. Here we come. Here is another old age-long tree. I wish I could find its name. Oh, this looks so extraordinarily, exceptionally. They must have survived ages, years upon years, and these trees are surviving. Here comes another one. Look at that. Oh my gosh. See how tiny, and I'm 1.72, and this, like me, the trees are so big. See the branch actually here. You can see these trees have survived more than 300 to 400 years, and they are still preserved. We have lots of them around the Greenwich Park and some other places. This is a great exhibition. Oh my gosh. Hi people, I need to show you more about this exciting place. Look, kids actually climbing. They're climbing the tree. The trees, which can be up to 500 to 600 years.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all.
I crossed the ocean for the heart of gold. I've been in my mind, it's such a fine line. Keeps me searching for the heart of gold. And I'm getting old. For the heart of gold. And I'm getting old.
And the fun is not stopping here. After going around the Greenwich Park and having to take a look at the nearby museums, though we can't get in until museums are fully open, we take a walk to have something to eat. There we go, into the Greenwich Market. Let's see the dealings and what's going on here. Lots of food here, guys.
We are now here at the Greenwich Market. People, after coming all the way from the park, we have come to sit down here in a kind of enclosure here to have lots of different international dishes. The Brazilian one, Ethiopian one, Italian, different kind of dishes, continental one. Let's have a take a look, closer look. In fact, coming closer to here, you can even smell lots of food. Greatly, you know. I don't even know which one I should have it taste around here. There's so many. Say Turkish food, Italiano, the Brazilian, the Ethiopian, different types, flavored coffee. Oh my gosh.
Honestly, I feel like giving you lots more. There are quite loads to keep you on this channel. Please subscribe. If you haven't done so, press the notification bell so that you get to know when next I put entertaining and informative video content. Please let me have your comments and click the like button. Thank you.